Steven has $500 to invest. They all should invest more.
We don't have time.
We do. What annual interest rate, compounded quarterly, that is 4 times per year, is required to double his money in 10 years? Okay, again, this is A equals P times 1 plus R over K to the KT. Okay, he has $500. He wants to double. So how much does he want to get back? 1,000.
10 years?
Why do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, rate, we don't know. Quarterly, and then 10 years. So we got to go back and figure out our Wimbo. Take your iPad out. It's all packed and dressed up. All right. Now this will be a mystery. How long? What interest rate? Okay. So this is where we left off on Friday. Did you guys finish this question on your own?
Yeah.
Okay, how many people have the answer? Just 2. Okay, all right. So not everybody finished this question. Oh, why are these people sending these things to me? Yeah, where are they coming from? I don't know. Who is sending? No, nobody knows. Huh? Oh, I guess someone is trying to airdrop a lot of things to all of us who have it. Airdrop this off. Okay, probably better turn it off. Anyways, okay. Everyone, please work on this one. Please work on this one. You are solving for the rate. So again, if you want to kind of take the shortcut I said before, you can raise it to the 1 over 40th power. Okay, let me know when you have the answer. All right, so the answer is about 6.99% or 7%. Okay, let's try one last one. Practice question. If you invest $100 at 8% annual interest, compounded continuously, what is the value at the end of year 7? What is continuously? Which equation do you use?
A equals E, 1 plus 1.
The PERT equation. P equals, what is it? No, A equals PERT. P, the principal, times E to the RT. P is principal.
No, E.
Oh, E is E. E is the number E.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
2.718. Remember the natural log with the base E, that E.
I thought it was like a variable.
No. E is taken. You cannot use E for pretty much anything besides that number. All right, so go ahead and find what amount is the value at the end of year 7 if you invest continuously, if the interest is continuous. All right, so this is the PE to the RT equation. Okay, hold on. This is gonna be 175.07.